Hi everyone. The word of the day is, homebody. Let's look at the meaning of homebody. The word homebody is a noun. And the meaning of homebody is someone who likes to spend most of their time at home. For example, Harry is such a homebody. It's really hard to convince him to come at the weekend. Now let's look at the example sentences of the word homebody. Number 1, she considers herself a homebody who enjoys reading and spending time with family and friends. Number 2, Alex has described himself as reserved and quiet, a homebody, and not a big fan of sports. Number 3, we're both homebody. We don't feel good going to office parties. Number 4, I'll be here. I'm pretty much a homebody these days. Now, you're quite sure which of the paintings you've decided to buy? Number 5, Mum's a real homebody, she would have liked a husband to fuss over. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to learn more new words, then subscribe to our channel.